Guys, I just recorded me unpacking all of this with no audio, so scratch that. I want to go over it again. So here it goes, guys. I got the Fractal Design MSFI C case right here. I got my 970 Evo solid state drive, one of the fastest on the market. I got the Ripjaws 3600 megahertz. It's 32 gigabytes. And the power supply connector to the motherboard right here. This is a very nice motherboard. Very nice. And I got the Tough Power PSU back here, which is 850 watts, 80 plus gold. And way back here in the back, I don't think you guys can see it that well, but that is the water pump cooler, or water cooler pump. Yeah. So on to taking off this case siding and the plastic, and then we'll be putting in the motherboard soon with my dad and maybe my brother as well. It just depends. Now okay. Oh my, yeah, that was scary. All right, look at that. Whew. Okay, so I thought that the case was cracked earlier because of the plastic. I got scared. Let's just say it took my breath away, and I thought I would have to send it back, which would have delayed me a long time, probably another 2 or 3 days into the build process. That clean as can be, sleek, nice case right there. Look inside of that thing, guys. Check that out. You got a fan over here. Got a fan right here. Power supply connectors for the fans. Pretty nice. Pretty good looking case right there. It's a lot of vents around the whole thing, on the top, on the sides. Down below it has some area for the battery to release its heat. We're gonna go ahead and get this and put it off to the side over here on my bed. Alright. It's my dog in the background, don't mind him. Alright, so what was I gonna start with? Motherboard. Yes, that's the first part. I'm going to wait until my dad is in here, and then we're gonna do that. So be right back. Welcome back, guys. Now we are putting in the motherboard. I got it laid down in there. Got some screws already laid in. We're gonna put the rest of them in there. All right, guys. We got the motherboard in there. Now we're gonna install the RAM. This 32 2x16 RAM. Got Ripjaws 3600. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in here. We're putting in the SSD. We just got the RAM put in there. All right. Hey guys, I would just like to say thank you for everyone who has been supporting me over the past year and a half on this journey while I've been trying to build a community on Twitch and become a full-time streamer. All those who have helped by subbing, donating, bits, cash, whatever it been, you guys have made this possible today. As most of you guys know, I took that money and learned how to invest it and grew that income to be able to afford this PC and to continue to deliver content, and hopefully better content than ever before, especially with the more frames I'll be getting now. Just, you've made it so much easier on me, guys, and you kept me going, so thank you. Guys, so this is the last part of my PC build. I've been waiting a minute for this one. The 1050 Ti temporary graphics card has just came in the mail, so I'm going to be putting that into this PC right now, and we're going to go ahead and start it up and see what it does in Fortnite. I'm still using a 60Hz monitor, but I will be getting a 280Hz monitor within the next month or so. I got it back ordered, so it isn't going to be able to come in yet. We're going to be playing at 200 and something frames with a 1050 Ti in performance mode, which will be really, really cool. At least until I get the 3070 graphics card. Go ahead and get the plate off here. This is it. Okay. This is the 1050 Ti graphics card. Alright, we'll cut back to where I am in Fortnite, and well, I guess I'll start off with creative, but what I'm going to do is just test its highest FPS. Even though I'm on a 60Hz monitor, well, TV, for now, I want to see if it will be able to hit 300 frames per second, so we're going to hop into some creative for that. To the gaming portion of this PC build. I don't think what anymore. What are you saying, Jay? 200 pump. 97 pump. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
For, I think 100 and something. Damn, you know, I'm just gonna sit out in the corner, right?
They left, bro. They left, bro.
Wow.
Oh my god. Yo, guys, tune in for my stream. It's coming up today. I'm gonna drop this video, then start live right after. Just want to let you guys get a small glimpse of what it's like to be playing on this PC right now. Peace out, boys.